everyone! The full moon on September the 17th is called the corn moon. It also happens to be a supermoon. It's the second supermoon out of 4 for the entire year. A supermoon seems a little bit bigger and brighter than usual, but it's hardly noticeable. Now, the super corn moon also happens to be a harvest moon, which is the closest full moon to the autumn equinox. On the same evening, there's going to be a partial lunar eclipse. For about an hour, you'll see a small chunk taken out on one side of the moon starting about 10:15. By the way, if you look into the southeastern evening sky on September the 16th, you'll notice that the planet Saturn is pairing up with the moon. If you watch the pair throughout the night, you'll notice they'll get extremely close together about 3 hours before sunrise on September the 17th. My name is Mario Carr with the Hamilton Amateur Astronomers. Stay safe, everyone, and remember, make sure you take the time to explore your night sky. See you next time.